Alright, Appendix B, 1910-120, general description of the discussion level of protection of the gear. Appendix with the set forth and professional personal protective equipment. The protection level that you specifically employ with the complying with the personal protective equipment requirements of this section. As required by the same personal protective equipment, they must be selected with the protective of the employee with the specific hazard of which we were likely to be encountered during the work on site. Selection of the personal protective equipment comply with the process should take into consideration the very carrying factor of the proper navigation habits suspected habit of the routes of the potential habit of the employee with the inhalation, skin absorption, ingestion, eye of the skin tact with the performance of the personal protective equipment material that the team that provide with the barrier these have the amount of the protection provided with the personal protective equipment material have the specific protective equipment material that will be with the well again for some of the has something poorly not in all but the against the other more sensitive the protective equipment material that cannot be provided continuous protection. Particular has something to indicate the breakthrough by the time of the protective material that should exceed the work of the durations. Other factors of selecting profit and consider the personal protective the equipment employers work requirements to have specific conditions, durability, personal protective equipment, such as the tear strength of the team, the strength of the should be considered the relation to the employee's have the effect of the personal protective equipment in relation to the health, strength of the task, duration, and the factors of selecting personal protective equipment, and some of the case of the layer of the personal protective equipment may necessary to provide sufficient protection, protect for the expense of the personal protective equipment, inner garment suits, and equipment. The more the known as the hazard side of the easier the job of the personal protective equipment selection is, because the more information have the condition side of the become available, the side of the supervisor make a decision, upgrade, downgrade with the personal protective equipment to manage the task at hand. The following guidelines are employed with the beginning selection of the personal protective equipment noted above the site information for the combination of personal protective equipment for the different protection level, the A, B, C, and T is being suitable for the heads to work with the shop containing the least below. Does not fully address the performance of the specific personal protective equipment material, the relation to the specific have of the job site, personal protective equipment selection, evaluation, selection, and ongoing process for the sufficient information to have the personal protective equipment is from obtained. Alright, Part A, personal protective equipment divided into four categories based on the degree of the protection afforded, but this Part B, with the pending for the further explanation of the levels of A, B, C, and D hazards. Level A to be selected with a greater level to give the respiratory eye protection required following the constitute level A equipment is used with the appropriate positive pressure for the whole face, please. Shelf contain breathing apparatus and the positive pressure supplied air suppressed sprayer with the self-contained breathing apparatus approved with the National Institute of the Occupational Safety Hazard Health totally encapsulation chemical protective suit. Coveralls, long underwear, gloves, or outer chemical resistant gloves, inner chemical resistant boots, chemical resistant tone, shank, heat, hard hat, and shoe with the disposable protective suit glove of the boots, depending on the suit conservation. Be worn over the total encapsulation suit. Level 2 be the highest level of respiratory protection necessary with the lesser level of skin protection needed. Valve of the constitute level 3 equipment may be used with the appropriate positive pressure for the full place of the self-contained breathing apparatus for the position pressure with the supply with the air apparatus for the shape of the self-contained breathing apparatus, the NAIOSH approved, and with the chemical resistance of the overall long sleeve jacket, the overalls is one and two piece chemical splash out, the disposable of the chemical resistant overalls, coveralls, gloves, outer chemical resistant gloves, inner chemical resistant boots, outer chemical resistant heel and shank boot covers, outer chemical resistant disposal hard hat, reserve field shield, face shield. Level 3 C the consideration type airborne substance over the criteria the preferring respirators made with the following constitute level 2 equipment that may be used in appropriate pull face the ASCAs with mass purifying respirator and NIOSH approved with a whole chemical resistant clothing overalls 2P for the chemical splash suit with the disposal chemical resistant overalls, coveralls, gloves, outer chemical resistant gloves, inner chemical resistant boots, outer with the chemical resistant toe and shank with the butter boot cover the outer chemical resistant disposal hard hat, escape mask, face shield. 4 level E with the worker uniform according to the minimal protection nuisance of the contamination. Only the following constitute level of the equipment may be used with the appropriate coverall with the glove, the boot, shield, the chemical resistant shield, the boots, outer chemical resistant disposal. Safety glass, chemical shaft, splash, goggle, the hard hat, escape mask of the field shape of the type of the head with the level of the A, B, C, and D protection appropriately described below. Level A protection should be used with the head of the substance that identified with the required with the highest level of protection of the skin, eye, of the respiratory system, with the potential for the high concentration atmosphere, vapor gases, gases, particularly with the site with the operation function involved with a high potential splash immersion, exposure of the unexpected vapor, the gases of the particular with the material of the harmful with the skin capable of being absorbed through the skin. Some substance with a high degree head of the skin and the known with the suspect of the present with the skin contact and probable operation being conducted with the confined. Poorly ventilated air with the absence of the condition requiring level A with not been determined. Level B with the protection should be used with the type of the atmospheric concentration and substance that identified with requires high level of respiratory protection, but less skin protection. Atmosphere contained with less than 19.5% oxygen present, but they may imply incomplete identify the vapor gap, identify the direct breathing organic vapor, the direct the detection instrument of the vapor, the gap of the non-suspect will contain high level chemical harmful skin capable of being absorbed in the skin. Note this involves the atmosphere and immediate danger to life and health. Concentration of specific substance present over the inhalation habit does not present with a severe skin hazard that do not meet the criteria for the use of the air purifying respirator. Alright, 3 levels G. Level G protection should be used with the atmosphere contaminated with liquid splash without direct contact with no adversely effect with absorbed any of the exposed skin. The type of the air contaminants have the identified concentration method of the air purifying respirator is available to remove the contaminants. All criteria used with the air purifying respirators are met. Level D protection should be used in the atmosphere condition, no known hazard, and working functions splash for the promotion with a potential unexpected inhalation contact with a hazard level stated before, communication personnel other than describing level A, B, C, and D with protection appropriate may be the U with the proper level of protection. As 8, selecting suitable chemical protective clothing is not over the National Fire Protection Agency have developed a standard chemical protective clothing standard have adopted, including NFP 1991 standard vapor protection hazard chemical emergency EPA level A protective clothing 1992 standard level of special / protective suit with a hazard chemical emergency EPA level B protective suit. Clothing NFAP 1993 standard liquid / protective emergency flammable chemical situation EPA level B protective suit. These standards documentation performance requirements of manufacturer chemical properties suits with a chemical protective suit with meeting the requirements of the label compliant with the appropriate standard of the recommended with the chemical protective suit that meet the standards to be used. Appendix C 1910-120 compliance guidelines.